Thomas doesn't really go so well. He's trying to be Space Diesel. Oh, so fast. Be Thomas. Come on, be Thomas. He's kissing. One real white Thomas is not really good.
So the wooden ones work on the track as well, huh?
Yeah, but they're very slow.
They go slow. How fast do the minis go?
Huh?
How fast do the minis go?
Super. They're cute.
Can they race? The minis?
Yeah, I hope. They can one by one. Thomas, please! James got in the lead. Right.
They're pretty quick, huh?
So it's Gordon versus Thomas in his race. Go. Oh, Thomas is catching. Oh, Gordon. And Gordon won. Next time it's Gordon versus Gordon. That's silly. It's gonna be Gordon versus Gordon. That's very silly. Wow! Quick one. Henry! Oh! Stopping. Bird.